Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ajingo Brandon, and on this mobile money channel I'm going to show you how you can make not less than $900, that is over $920 by drop servicing. So a lot of you may ask me, what is drop servicing? Drop servicing is generally becoming a middleman, leveraging influencers to sell their services but without you creating the service yourself. So how do we do that? When you talk of freelancers, you can talk of Fiverr, you can talk of Upwork, you can talk of people per hour. All these are freelance websites, and what happens is there are people who create their services and then sell their service on this website for money. So we're gonna drop their service there that they are selling on the freelance website to people who need them. And how do you do that? That is what I'm going to show you in this video, and that is what can make you not less than $900 in 48 hours if you follow this simple strategy in this video to the end. Well, I want you to subscribe if you want to subscribe, and don't forget to comment below drop servicing. I'm gonna pick a winner for this comment, and I'm gonna reward that winner. I know a kind of reward that I'll email the person with that. So I want one of my subscribers or anybody watching this video right now to comment below drop servicing, and after I'll pick one winner from the commenters and then reward him secretly, and the person himself will know that I rewarded him. So well, if you're interested in making money online using your mobile phone, then consider subscribing to this channel. So without further ado, let's hop into it and let me show you how you can make this kind of money. You can see this is my Opera browser, right? So you can make not less than $900 in 48 hours just by using all these strategies that I'm about to show you in this video, and that is drop servicing. So first, let's start. And how do we do that? You first go to YouTube. Well, I want you to open a YouTube in your app. It could be your Opera app, it could be your Chrome app, anything. But if you use the main YouTube app, this one, well, it will be difficult for you to make this strategy, or for you to do this strategy that I'm about to show you right now. So I recommend you use an app for that. This Opera app. So you just search on top here, just search YouTube, and that is all. So you search YouTube, you go to YouTube like this, that's done. Yes, this is what I want you to do. You're done. So when you come to YouTube like this, you just search any topic, but make sure the topic is broad. You can search up about cooking or how to cook. You can search up about how to everything. So for the purpose of this video, I will search for how to start a business. To start a business, and you can see it pop-ups here, and then I click on that, how to start a business. Well, you can see a ton of videos here, and we're gonna drop service. So first of all, as I said, drop service is about reselling services to people without we are creating the service ourselves. So when you come to Fiverr here, you can see there are a ton of services here, and you can talk of graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, and there are a ton of services. And all these services here on Fiverr, you can drop service them, or you can sell them in a different way. So without you creating the service yourself. So that's why it requires zero skills and any money. You don't need any money for it. You just need $0, and you can still make this kind of money that I showed to you. So what are you gonna do? For the purpose of this video, we're gonna do the drop servicing by selecting a niche. So what niche are you going into? You're going into video editing niche. Alright, so that is what we're gonna drop service. You're gonna drop service video editing. And the reason why I said first thing you have to do is you go to YouTube is YouTubers are those who really need video editing, right? We can talk. So that is why I said we should first go onto YouTube. So let's say you went into how to get followers on Instagram. Well, those services are here on Fiverr, so you said that you can find it, and that is where you go to Instagram, and then you will be DMing influencers. But we are doing video editing. I don't know if you guys get what I mean. Yes, so video editing, that's why we want to go to YouTube. You can copy the video editing strategy as well. I think it's best selling right now. That's why I want you guys to make the money too. Alright, so once you're on YouTube, you search for a topic, and now I search for how to start a business. So you can see a ton of videos here, and all these people want to teach me how to start a business, right? So just click on any of them. I just want to check this video right here. Let me say how to invest for teenagers, right? I click on that. So when you click on that video, I just don't want it to play for copyright issues. So when you click on that, what are you gonna do? You're gonna click on the person's name, or you're gonna click on the channel. So I click on the channel. So once you click on the channel, you can see it opens this way, right? And what you're gonna do here is you just click on about, and when you click on the about, you can see view email address right here. So view email address, right? And you're gonna click on that and view the person's email address, because you're gonna send emails to all these people. And that's why I want you to follow this strategy to the end, so that you capture everything and you click submit. So you can see the email right here, right? So you just copy that email, you copy that, and then what are you gonna do? You open either Google Docs or any notepad that is on your phone, and you're gonna paste that. And once you paste that, you go back to YouTube again, check the name. What was the channel's name? Andrew Jake. That was the name, right? So I'll just type in Jake. So you type in something like this, equals to Jake. So J-I-C-K. Oh no, J-I-K-H. K-H. That was the person's name. So I just type in this. You see? Alright. So what are you going to do next is you're going to at least copy emails, not less than 50 emails, because not all these YouTubers are going to go down for this strategy. You understand? So it's a game of numbers, and you need to select, or you need to email not less than 50 YouTubers, or you can email more than that, or even less, but it depends. So I don't want this video to keep long, so you do that for like not at least 10. You guys should try and then get a lot of YouTubers to contact. And once you get that, you can still see right here there are a ton of videos here. So you can click on another, you copy the email address and the name, so you can get all of them here in line. Let me do another one. There are some channels who don't have their email address in the about section, so don't worry about that. You still try and find a lot of emails. These channels, there are a ton of channels here, and you can check that feature alone. So you go to about, and then you click on view email address. Click on I'm not a robot. So Charlie Chan, you see the email appears. You click on copy. So you come here and then you paste it here. Paste, and then you do the equal sign, or you can do anything here so that you get clarity of it. So Chang. So you see here, and so you have to do for at least not less than 10 or 50 or even 100 emails. And what are you going to do next? You are going to write this template right here. Well, I'll leave it in the description for you guys to copy, so that the work becomes very, very easy for you. So basically what you're gonna do with this email is you're gonna send to them. So the hello YouTuber's name, I've been watching videos. So if the YouTuber's name is Chang, you just type in hello Chang, I've been watching videos for a while now, and as a subscriber I want to thank you for the awesome content you consistently upload. So you type in something like that, and I'll leave this in the description so that you guys copy, and everything makes it easy for you. And so what you see here is what you're gonna write. Or you're gonna write something similar. When you're done, you copy this entire thing. You copy that. Make sure you put in where it says your name, YouTuber's name. You fill in all that, so that the YouTuber wouldn't suspect anything. You should know that you're real. So when you send this email to the YouTuber, well, what he's gonna do is he'll reply you either by going down or rejecting this offer. So when he goes down to this offer, well, you agree with him, and what he should take note is that you go to Fiverr, and then when you are on Fiverr, you check video editing. So you search for video editing for YouTube or something like that. Here on Fiverr, you search for video editing. So when you search for video editing, you can see people who edit YouTube videos for starting from $20, $40, and then $15, and a whole lot, even $5 here. this man says he edit the video for $5 and he's gotten 4.9 rating. So you check their rating, you know that they are doing well in the system. You don't just go select anyone who is a beginner right here, okay? So that your business will last. It will give you passive income, because when a YouTuber edits his first video from you, it's more likely he's gonna do the next one, and tomorrow he's gonna give you a video for you to edit, and it will make you passive income. You understand? So you select, let me say this guy right here will do the editing for what, $5. Well, I'll charge the YouTuber for like $40, or you see people are charging here $40, so I can charge a person there for $40 per video. So when I charge $40, I just give the $5 to this guy to edit that video, and then I profit the $35 difference. That's what drop servicing is all about. You understand? So I need not to create videos myself, and this is a legal business and legit business that we are doing right now. Not all agencies you see there, the CEOs in those agencies, they are not doing it themselves. You understand? They hire people to do. So you hire this man, and then you profit the difference. So it's legit. Don't worry about the legitimacy of it. So that is it, and I'll leave that in my doc, and that is how you can make not less than $900 using drop servicing business. So thank you guys for watching, and consider subscribing, and as I said, comment below drop servicing in the comment section, and like this video so that it reaches more people, and so that it also lets me know you guys are interested in such videos, and I will continue and consistently upload these videos so that you also make money online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.